Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today, we have something special to talk about that can truly elevate your kitchen experience. We're diving into the KRAUS Oletto single-handle pull-down kitchen faucet, and we'll explore all the features that make it stand out from the crowd. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews and home improvement tips. Let's get started. The KRAUS Oletto single-handle pull-down kitchen faucet is a modern marvel, seamlessly blending sleek design with exceptional functionality. It's not just a faucet, it's a statement piece, ready to elevate your kitchen's style and efficiency. Sleek and sophisticated design. Streamlined silhouette. The Oletto boasts a minimalist design that complements any kitchen aesthetic. From contemporary to traditional, its graceful curves and high arc spout exude an air of sophistication, making it a focal point you'll love. Available in multiple finishes, choose from a variety of stunning finishes, including chrome, brushed, nickel, matte black, and spot-free stainless steel to perfectly match your existing decor. Here are some exceptional functionality. Pull-down spray head with reach technology. Tackle any cleaning task with ease thanks to the pull-down spray head. The innovative reach technology extends the hose for superior flexibility and cleaning reach, allowing you to effortlessly fill pots, rinse dishes, and clean hard-to-reach corners. Dual spray modes. Switch between a powerful aerated stream for everyday cleaning and a gentle spray for delicate tasks like rinsing fruits and vegetables. Single handle control. Operate both water flow and temperature with a single ergonomic handle for effortless control. Built to last. Heavy-duty brass construction. The Oletto is crafted from solid brass for unmatched durability and resilience. It's built to withstand the demands of a busy kitchen for years to come. Ceramic cartridge. Experience smooth, drip-free operation thanks to the high-quality ceramic cartridge. Leak-proof installation. The QuickDock mounting system ensures a secure and leak-proof installation, making it easy to install even for DIY enthusiasts. More than just a faucet, the KRAUS Oletto single-handle pull-down kitchen faucet is an investment in your kitchen's style and functionality. It's a faucet that makes a statement, simplifies your tasks, and elevates your everyday experience. Here are some additional features that make the Oletto stand out. 360 swivel spout provides maximum flexibility and range of motion for cleaning and filling tasks. Easy clean finish. Resists fingerprints and water spots, making it effortless to maintain a pristine look. ADA compliant, the Oletto is designed for comfortable use by people with disabilities. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook who appreciates quality and style, the KRAUS Oletto single-handle pull-down kitchen faucet is a must-have upgrade for your kitchen. Experience the difference it makes and transform your kitchen into a space you love. Here are some pros and cons about KRAUS Oletto single-handle pull-down kitchen faucet. Pros: pull-down functionality, single-handle design, modern look, durable materials. Cons: installation. Overall, the KRAUS Oletto single-handle pull-down kitchen faucet is a well-rounded option for those seeking a stylish, functional, and durable faucet. Its diverse design options, flexible functionality, and strong construction make it a popular choice for a variety of kitchens. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more reviews and home improvement tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've already tried the Bolden faucet. Until next time, happy kitchen upgrading!